Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Currently we are exploring the autopilot for everyone. And in the previous videos of this series, we have already seen what is autopilot and what are different licensing roles and permission and the system requirements are required to get started with autopilot for everyone. Now, in this video, we are going to see how we can install autopilot for everyone on your UiPath Assistant. So to get started with autopilot for everyone, now on the screen, you can see I have UiPath Assistant open and I can see it says say hello to autopilot. Now autopilot is there, but we are not able to interact with the autopilot here. So to install and make a use of autopilot, we have to make some configuration in our cloud. So we'll navigate to the cloud first. So once you are in your automation cloud, then you need to navigate to admin panel, and in the admin panel you can see a AI trust layer. So you have to select this option, and the AI trust layer you can see autopilot for everyone tab. So you just have to navigate to this one, and after coming over here you need to select a particular tenant where you actually want to deploy your autopilot for everyone. Okay, so I'm going to select a production one. After I selected the production tenant, then I have some pre-installation checklist available over here. Now you can see for my tenant, document understanding is already enabled. Then the user license management is already enabled. But the last option that we have, like the enable anthropic model in automation op, that is disabled now, right? So we have to enable anthropic model in automation op. And after that only this install autopilot for everyone, this particular button will get popped up for us. Now we'll navigate to the automation ops. Once we are in the automation ops, then here we need to create a AI trust layer policy, and we need to deploy that to a particular tenant with anthropic model enabled. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a product policy with AI trust layer, and I'll name it as auto pilot for everyone. And the product I have selected is AI trust layer, and I'm going to simply click on add button. After I have created a policy, then I just simply need to navigate to the models, and in the models I have to enable the anthropic model which is mentioned in the prerequisite checklist, right? And just hit a click on save. After you have created a policy, this autopilot for everyone over here, then after creation you have to deploy that one. Then you need to navigate to the deployment tab, and you need to select a particular tenant. Now I have selected a tenant as production one, so I'm going to select a production one. And in the production tenant, now you can see in the no licenses tab we have product called AI trust layer, and I have to select a policy which I have created just now. So I have created an autopilot for everyone policy, and I'll click on save. So then that particular policy which I have created, that will be uploaded to the production tenant. After creation and the deployment of the AI trust layer policy, I can simply navigate to the admin panel, and in the admin I can again go to the AI trust layer, then to the autopilot for everyone tab, and here I'm going to select the production tenant again. And now you can see this pre-installation checklist is ticked for each and every condition which is mentioned. Earlier this enable anthropic model in automation off was disabled, so we were not getting this button to install autopilot for everyone. Now we can click on install autopilot for everyone, then installation of the autopilot for everyone will get started. It will take a few minutes to get installed. Now autopilot solution installed, as you can see on the screen. And now instead of install, we are getting uninstall autopilot for everyone over here, and we are getting different tabs. like the starting prompts, context rounding tools, advanced setting, license setting. So these individual settings that we are going to see in the next video of our series. After installation is done, now if I open the UiPath Assistant again, then it says welcome aboard, and you can configure all your settings. So what is your role, department, and location you can give. After you have configured all your details, then this will be the interface of Autopilot for everyone. We are going to explore the UiPath Autopilot for everyone in detail. I hope you got an understanding how to install the Autopilot for everyone on your desktop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more AI powered content. Until then, happy automation.